Today, I will show you how to bring your splash screen logo to life with smooth animation, all inside Figma. Let's design and animate a beautiful splash screen logo, perfect for your next app or project. I have already placed a few assets here. First, we will take a mobile frame and give it a black color. Next, I will take a frame, set its width and height to 81 pixels, and give it a 100 pixel corner radius. Now, I will give it a green color and place it at the center of the frame. Next, take a 20 pixel square and round the corners on three sides. Copy it and flip it horizontally. Then select both top shapes, copy them and flip them vertically. Keep a 3 pixel gap between all the shapes and change their color to black. Place them right at the center of the green frame. Finally, rotate all four shapes to -45 degrees and our logo is ready. Select frame 1, copy it, and place it on the right side. Name this frame 1 and set the logo's opacity to 0. Now, name the next frame 2. Copy frame 2 and paste it next to it. Select the logo, choose the scale tool and set the size to 150 pixels. Then, rotate the middle square group to the right. Next, copy this frame, select the logo, and set its size to 61 pixels. Select the inner square group and rotate it to the right, just like this. Now, take the text tool and type the logo name. Move the text to the right side inside the frame, just like this. Select the frame, copy it, and paste it on the right side. Rotate the square group inside the logo to the left at a 45-degree angle. Now, move the logo to the left and place the text next to it like this. Select the frame again, copy it, and paste it to the right. Select both the logo and text and set their opacity to 0. Copy frame and paste it next to it. Select the image asset and place it at the top inside the frame. Now, take the contain and move it to the bottom inside the frame. Copy the frame and paste it next to it. Rotate the image to the left. Then, move the container to the top and adjust it like this. Copy the frame again and paste it next to it. Select the shape and increase its size. Copy the frame once more and paste it next to it. Now, select the shape again and make it smaller. Now, let's add all the prototype connections. Connect the first frame to the second frame. Set the after delay, 1 millisecond. Choose Smart Animate and set linear with a duration of 600 milliseconds. Connect the second frame to the third frame. Set the after delay, 1 millisecond. Choose Smart Animate and set quick with a duration of 600 milliseconds. Just like we did for the second frame, do the same for the third and fourth frames as well. Connect the fifth frame to the sixth frame. Set the after delay, 1 millisecond. Choose Smart Animate and set linear with a duration of 600 milliseconds. Connect the sixth frame to the seventh frame. Set the after delay, 1 millisecond. Choose Smart Animate and set linear with a duration of 300 milliseconds. Connect the seventh frame to the eighth frame. Set the after delay, 1 millisecond. Choose Smart Animate and set linear with a duration of 600 milliseconds. Eight and nine frame. Set the after delay, 1 millisecond. Choose Smart Animate and set linear with a duration of 1000 milliseconds. That's it. All prototype links are ready. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to ask in the comments below.